investment, we can split percentages into two different classifications. Basic one is simple interest. We know what it means by simple interest. That means, for an example, we can use many examples, such as if I give you 5 percentage of simple interest. Okay, simple interest. That means interest will be given. It will be offered at the financial companies such as banks and some investment plans. We will have simple interest and in sometimes compound interest also. I will explain the simple interest thing first of all. Thereafter, let's move to the compounded one. Simple interest means it will give you 5 percentage. Okay, I am the owner of my company. I am offering 5 percentage of annual simple interest for your investment. That means hiddenly they are telling that if you invest 100 rupees, when I convert this percentage to fraction, it will become 5 over 100. So actually, if you invest 100 rupees in my company, end of the year, I will give you the interest as 5 rupees. Okay, if you invest 100 rupees in my company, I will give you 5 rupees as such bonus. Okay, such as bonus that will be offered to you in end of the year. For 1 year, I will give you 5 rupees. Likewise, when you invest for 2 years or if your investment is 200 rupees, when I convert the percentage to fraction, it would be 5 upon 100. So that's how we obtain that relationship such as 100 rupees investment will give you 5 rupees interest. So if I invest 200 rupees, the interest also will become its double, 10 rupees. I will receive end of the year, I will receive 10 rupees as interest. If I invest 500 rupees, think about it. So if my investment is increasing, it is directly proportional to the interest as well. The interest also in the same multiple, it will increase. Look at here. 100 multiplied by 5 times will give you 500. Likewise, 5 also should be multiplied with 5 times. So end of the year, I will receive 25 rupees as my simple interest. This is called as simple interest in simple way. So according to our investment, if the investment is increasing, the interest also will increase. If investment will decrease, interest also will be decreased. That's the simple phenomenon. So the percentages are the crucial things in simple interest occasions. With knowing the percentage, we can obtain the relationship according to the question. If I give you for your investment, I will give you 10 percentage annual interest. Okay, 10 percentage annual interest. If a person is investing 5,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees in my company. Okay, on my company, he is investing 5,000 rupees. So here we have to find two important things. First thing is, what is the amount of interest that person will receive end of the year? First, interest for an year. Interest for an year. For 1 year. How can we find that? We have enough data here. The investment also we know and percentage also know. From the percentage we can incorporate with the fraction. So 10 percentage means if I invest 100 rupees, they will give me 10 rupees as bonus interest. So likewise, if I invest 5,000 rupees, what is the amount of interest I can obtain? By simplifying this, we can get it as 500 rupees. So end of the year, I will receive 500 rupees as interest for 1 year. Such like this person is investing the same amount, 5,000 rupees he was invested for 5 years. Okay, after 5 years, what is the amount of interest he will receive from this investment? For 5 years, the same amount, same percentage of interest for 5 years. Only the time is increased. For 5 years also, nothing will change. This is simple interest. That means if they will offer you We found for 1 year. 1 year they will give you 500 rupees. No, such like 5 years. How much they will offer? So 5 times of 500. We found for 1 year, likewise 5 years. 5 times of 500, it would be 2500 rupees. This is the amount of interest. Interest that person will receive after end of 5 years. It's called as simple interest.